Okay, what it does when you clip something, it takes away the transient and the attack of the top end of something. Okay, so this is what it's doing. This is what it's adding. So I've linked the volumes and it's taken off 2.6 dB, but let's listen to what it's adding. What you're doing, you're slicing off the top when you clip it, as opposed to compression and limiting. And this is what it's adding as a side effect of that. So that's the saturation distortion that the clip is adding to that sound, which obviously can sound bad. The negatives are it's taken away from the attack, but with this sound, I quite like that top sound on the kick. I like what this is doing to it. I don't dislike what the clip is doing. Okay, and what that's done is that's saved 2.6 dB. It's clipped off 2.6 dB of the kick. And what that means is, without changing the sound of it, in fact, it's added a little something to the top of it which will help it cut through the mix.